Hi, it's Brian Chu from the Underwater Photography Guide. In this video I compare the image stabilization of the GoPro Hero 6 Black with the new Hypersmooth stabilization of the Hero 7 Black. First, I took the GoPros for a walk along the dock, and you can see just handheld, the 7 is a lot smoother than the 6. Then I went for a bit of a run, and the advantage of the 7, the Hypersmooth, is even more apparent. So then I took them for a swim and swam a little bit quickly, and yeah, again, the 7 just looks a lot more professional and clean than the 6. So the verdict with image stabilization is that, wow, the Hypersmooth is way better than the stabilization from the 6. So it's a huge improvement. It lives up to all the hype, and